Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a good edit on CapCut. So in CapCut you can basically do everything, and you can just start by click on new project and choose a videos or photo that you want to edit. But if you want to, you can also use the template tab. So for you guys who are new to editing video or to CapCut, you can just use this template right here to make a good edit and to make it easier for you to have a cool video. So you can just click on a template that you want and then click on a use template, and then after that you can just add your own video or photos into the template. And I'm going to show you how. This is just the basic editing, so I'm going to just do it real quick. So let's say I want to edit this photos right here. So first you just need to click on the photo and click on the style and find the 3D zoom. Okay, this one's right here. Click on that 3D zoom and wait for it to finish generating. Okay, so I've already applied the 3D Zoom Pro, and then this basically just done when you editing a photo, and it's like a good edit, and you can just export, or you can also add a video effects to make it more dramatic. Okay, so that's some tips for me. I hope this will be helpful. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on the thanks, like this video, comment and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.